Okay, let's try the consensus app. We're going to ask a question here. Do employees leave companies for better salaries? Let's see. It entered and it's populating an overview. Now, in this case, it said there's nuance required. So this is more complicated than what the model can answer. And it then provides for different citations. This one is from the Journal of Applied Management and Entrepreneurship. You can see there's more journals or citations about this, which is already a good start to figure out where are some of the most cited studies coming from as it relates to people leaving organizations. Now, just like with everything else, when we use generative AI, we have to use our human brains to verify, to question, and discern the answers provided. There are some in here that I think have little to do with what I was asking or what I'm looking for. But it's a really good start to find sources that have been often cited and to get an overview of what's the consensus or what are the opinions out there. I'm going to try a different question here. It prompted me to log in. So I'm back at the main screen. Do employees perform better with a coaching approach as a leadership? Okay, summary. These studies suggest that a coaching approach as a leadership style is positively associated with improved employee performance, job satisfaction, and so forth. So 13 papers analyzed, all of them say yes. This isn't a particularly controversial question. If you ask something that you already know there's a very diverse school of thought, you'll get a more diverse consensus meter, obviously. But again, the reason why I enjoy this, and I think this is useful for employees to use, for you to use or to check out and ask some questions that are related to the work that you do, or if you are preparing a paper or you're making a case or you're asking for resources for a particular project of yours, or you're talking to clients or partners and want to underscore the benefits or the importance of your product or your services. Studies that you'll find here can help you to make that case. Again, it shows all the different journals where this has been cited. I always check out not only the year, but also the number of citations that each of those studies had. This gives me a good overview for where we're at and where things have published and so forth. I hope you find this helpful. Go check it out. You can run a number of questions here without even logging in. At some point, it prompts you to log in. I haven't paid any money to Consensus yet, but also recognized still in beta. Now, another way to access Consensus is by going to ChatGPT. Assuming that you have ChatGPT 4, you can explore different GPTs, which is what we're doing right now. It's on the left-hand side in your navigation. And it's actually under the trending ones. So there's a bunch of them here. You can type it into the search bar or do this. So if we ask, the sauna good for your health, we're just going to use some of the question or a question that was prompted here. I'm going to say allow. It's going to start to populate a response. I don't like the interface as much as I do the actual app. But if I wanted to ask a quick question and I'm already in ChatGPT, I could go in here to ask for some of the resources. The cool thing, too, about ChatGPTs is that for the last few weeks or so, we've been able to go into your regular ChatGPT's window and then call on those custom ChatGPTs. So, for example, I'm going to let this finish here. Okay, great. Thank you so much. I might be in ChatGPT and I might say at consensus, just right here, it's pulling up all the different things. And I'll say, is milk healthy for you? And now it's pulling on the Consensus app to answer that question. And then once the answer comes back to this, I can X this out and just continue working with this and say to ChatGPT, great, now please use the benefits in an email to my client who asked me about the benefits of milk. Use the benefits in an email. Use the benefits to draft an email to my client who asked me about the benefits of milk. And voila, consensus was right integrated to my overall conversation with ChatGPT. Good. That is the demo of the day. I hope you find this valuable. Go check it out.